Okay, so I decided that when we saw that we not only have radish pods, but we also have daikon pods, and even though you might have gotten a glimpse of what we thought about radish pods, we want to compare because there is a difference. So radish pods we'll try first. So yes, you can eat radish seed pods. You get them while they're still green and a little bit of seed in them. Let's see. While they're young and tender, before they turn brown and woody. Because if they're brown and woody, you might as well just collect the seeds. But when they're like this, it's super good. Like a little green vegetable. You can fry them or eat them raw. So let's see. Yeah, man. You get the flavor right away that it's obviously a radish.
Yeah.
Not strong though. It's just more mild than biting straight into a radish.
Yeah, it's exactly the same flavor, but less spicy.
Really, really good and fresh, crunchy. You do have that peppery taste a bit, but it doesn't have that overpowering like radish flavor, you know, that earthy taste. It doesn't have that really. It's just got that nice radish flavor with a kick of hotness, you know. And then there's daikon radish, you know, the long white Japanese radishes, and I use those in my miso soup like very, very, very often. But in Japanese food, they often shred it raw and just put soy sauce and lemon juice over it, and it's really delicious. And then they use that and take a little bit alongside of some meat dish, or so they've got the little kick of radish, you know, with salty, lemony flavor. Is really good. But anyway, I was curious about, since we had tried the radish seed pods, how it differs from daikon. So let's see. Yeah, it's definitely stronger than radish as far as the heat kick. Really good, fresh, crunchy, crisp, green.
I would just eat a lot of them just like that, like popcorn.
Yeah, if you like a little heat, it's a great snack. You want a kick of something in your salad, that's good too. I bet they're super good to fry in a wok with other things, but if you want to know what does it taste like, I wouldn't directly guess exactly that it was daikon seed pod. To me, it has a hint of like, it resembles wasabi very, very much. So, I mean, I would even probably roll these in sushi or something. And yeah, then you don't even need to dip it like in wasabi in the soy sauce. You've already got your wasabi kick. It's so similar. Not as hot as wasabi, but it's, yeah. So yeah, that was really, really interesting. Something new for us, for sure. I'm gonna have to use pods like that, like a lot in cooking now, because it's really good. Something new we've found that we really like. So hope you found that interesting and new. Bye.